Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the V100 Robot Lawn Mower with HD Vision Navigation, a compact and affordable smart mower designed specifically for small lawns and simple, hands-free maintenance. Right away, this mower stands out for its HD Vision Navigation system. Instead of relying on complex setups, it uses camera-based intelligence to understand your lawn layout and move efficiently. It's a great option if you want something straightforward without dealing with complicated installation processes. The V100 is built for small lawns up to 1,600 square feet, making it perfect for compact yards, gardens, or even tight urban spaces. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use, while still delivering consistent and reliable cutting performance. When it comes to safety and navigation, you get smart obstacle detection combined with collision sensors. This allows the mower to detect objects in its path and either slow down or change direction, reducing bumps and ensuring smoother operation. It's not just smart, it's practical for everyday use around outdoor furniture, plants, or pathways. The adjustable cutting height gives you control over how your lawn looks, whether you prefer a shorter, clean trim or a slightly longer, healthier cut. Despite its compact size, it still delivers a neat and even finish across your lawn. Another big plus is the low noise operation. This mower runs quietly in the background, so you can let it do its job without disturbing your home environment or neighbors. It's ideal for early morning or evening use. And of course, it's designed for convenience. Once set up, it can handle routine mowing with minimal input, making it a great entry-level robotic mower for beginners. Overall, the V100 Robot Lawn Mower is simple, efficient, and perfect for small spaces. If you want an easy, budget-friendly way to automate your lawn care without going into high-end systems, this is definitely worth considering. If you're interested, check the link in the description to grab yours today, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech reviews like this.